H and M. Avenues H and M. You have to transfer at Kings Highway. You have to go to Kings Highway. Avenues H and M. You have to transfer at Kings Highway. Kings Highway.
See, that night I was ready to commit suicide and screamed out, Jesus, help me! Was the best night of my life. As I found out Jesus was real, the peace, the love, the joy completely enveloped me. It was so wonderful I couldn't even move.
No curtain, no curtain.
All these years, God has been so kind, faithful, loving, and I've let him down so many times.
Avenue J will be next. Avenue J will be next. No curtain, Avenue.
But he's never let me down. Who am I? Absolutely nobody. God doesn't have favorites, people. Not like we do. You're his most wonderful creation. And all he wants to do is love you.